This is a shocking executive order that was signed by President Trump on Monday, January 20th, and it requires an identification and registration of all undocumented immigrants in the United States. So the executive order is entitled Protecting the American People Against Invasion. And the order mandates the Secretary of Homeland Security to immediately announce, number one, the legal obligation of all undocumented immigrants to identify themselves and to get registered, and number two, to ensure that there is compliance with this mandatory registration that is found in regulations. Number three, there are going to be civil and criminal enforcement penalties for failure to comply with the regulations to be identified and registered as an undocumented immigrant in the United States. And number four, there are going to be fines and penalties also for undocumented immigrants, including those who entered the U.S. unlawfully, as well as those who facilitate the presence of these undocumented immigrants. They have not explained what facilitating the presence of these people means. It could mean if you're providing housing for them. We're waiting to see how they will interpret this. The fifth thing to note is that the executive order gives 3 months to the Secretary of Homeland Security, the Attorney General, as well as the Secretary of State to give a progress report to the president on carrying out compliance with this regulation. And so within the next 3 months, we are going to be expecting to see the U.S. government make perhaps an announcement to publicize information about identifying and registering all undocumented immigrants. I hope this helps. Ask for more.